Okay guys, so today in this video, in the last video of chemistry, we have looked at हमने prove किया था electron कैसे बना था. Now in this video we're gonna see that how electron was discovered. सबसे पहले we could have looked the basic info about electron. So introduced Goldstein introduced this, and by process, which process I told you, process of electrolysis. Okay, now what is the process of electrolysis? Can you please say that? Yes, electrolysis means passing of current through gas or solution. So remember that the electrolysis will always be occurring when the current will be passing through gas and solutions. If the current will be passing through wires, that process won't be called electrolysis, then that will be called as electricity by the name, right? Flow of current, electricity from the wires. Exactly, yes, that's true. Now we're gonna see how did he present that, and what was the difference between the William Crookes, the one who discovered electron, and the difference between Goldstein discharge tube. So what was the main difference between their discharge tube was the Goldstein जो है ना, he did the perforation. What is perforation? You know the meaning of perforation? Perforations mean खड्डे कर देना. Alright, for example, I am making over here, I am making this is, perforated perforated material. Alright, अगर इनमें से मैं I pass the my tea, तो उसके अंदर से मेरे पास जो पत्ती होगी टी की वो अलग हो जाएगी. दैट विल बी नोन एज द परफोरेशन. परफोरेशन मीन्स अगर आप किसी चीज़ को क्रॉस करें तो वो क्लीन होके निकले. ऑलराइट, उनमें से कचरे हट जाएं, सिर्फ लिक्विड पार्ट आ जाए. एंड वी यूज़ इट एट आवर होम एज वेल वाइल मेकिंग द टी आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ द टी. ऑलराइट, सो व्हाट ही डिड, इन्होंने अपनी डिस्चार्ज ट्यूब के अंदर he did the perforation. What type of perforation, what he did, we have to discuss here in this video. Alright, this was the discharge tube, and here it was perforated. Here is anode, and we know that anode have what? It have positive particles. Alright, so up now here we know that it was connected with the battery. Alright, it was connected with the battery. And battery was giving the electrons were coming over here. Alright, electron यहाँ पर आ रहे थे, and now we have placed hydrogen over here. Alright, electron came here, they broke the bond. Alright, they broke the bond. For this is the particle. Alright, electrons came and they broke the particles. Why they broke the particles? Wait, let me tell you. This is the molecule. H2 is a molecule. When electron strike to them, because here we know that hydrogen have one proton and another electron. So electron when electron will combine, they will repel each other, all right. और उस repulsion की वजह से the bond breaks, all right, bond break हुआ, and then the bond is then converted into what? The bond is converted into atoms, hydrogen atoms, 2 hydrogen atoms, all right. then हाइड्रोजन एटम में तो कन्वर्ट हो गया भाई. फर्स्टली इट वाज मॉलिक्यूल, उसके बाद 1 प्रोटॉन एंड 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 1 प्रोटॉन एंड 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, ऑलराइट. प्रोटॉन इस तरफ चले गए, सॉरी इलेक्ट्रॉन वेंट हियर. देन व्हाट अबाउट दीज प्रोटॉन्स? What about these protons? Protons कहाँ जाएंगे? प्रोटॉन को कौन करेगा ट्रैक? सो देयर ड्यू टू दीज इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन यहाँ पर आ गए, प्रोटॉन परफोरेशंस में निकल के यहाँ आ गए, और पता चल गया हमारे पास that here we have the positive charge, that is प्रोटॉन इलेक्ट्रॉन के पास चल के आ गए, ऑल राइट. सो द सिंपल इज़ दैट कैथोड रेस के पास जो होती है ना, कैथोड रेस वी हैव CR रेस, देयर हैव लेस ग्लो, and positive rays that we have just made have more glow, all right. You need to remember these few stuffs. So now if we talk about the properties of it, तो हमने सबसे पहले देखा कि I'm gonna tell few properties that, but in next video we're gonna be looking briefly about properties. हमने देखा, हमने positive rays, we passes positive rays from the electric field. Electric field means positive and negative. So where it get deflected, because पॉजिटिव रेजेस थी हमारे पास, तो डैट रिफ्लेक्टेड टूवर्ड्स व्हाट? That went towards negative, right? But then when it comes to magnetic field which have north pole and the south pole, south ऊपर होता है, alright. नॉर्थ भी बोल सकते हैं, नॉर्थ नॉर्थ पोल, साउथ पोल, नॉर्थ पोल, इट्स लाइक, बट मोस्टली नॉर्थ ऊपर होता है, तो यू नीड टू कीप द वन थिंग इन योर माइंड, नॉर्थ एंड द साउथ पोल. देन व्हेन दिस रेज इज पास, तो हमें पता चल गया कि इट हैज़ अ मास, तभी तो ये मास, हैवी मास होने की वजह से इट डिफ्लेक्टेड, ऑल राइट. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि वी हैव कैथोड रेज एंड वी हैव पॉजिटिव रेज, why does cathode rays does not deflect so early while positive rays deflect so much early, and it does not? Why cathode ray does not? Because of the more mass. Positive rays जो होती है ना, they have more glow. I told you, please don't lie, I told you, all right. इनके पास ज़्यादा ग्लो होता है, ज़्यादा ग्लो होने की वजह से दे हैव मोर मास. अब जिसके ऊपर ज़्यादा मास होगा वो जल्दी चीज़ गिर जाएगी ना, एंड दैट्स कॉमन, ऑलराइट. तो वो ज़्यादा मास होने की वजह से दैट डिफ्लेक्टेड सो अर्ली, ऑलराइट. एंड लेट मी टेल यू कि यहाँ पे वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो व्हाट डू वी हैव? इलेक्ट्रॉन के पास कैथोड रेस होती हैं, ऑलराइट. These cathode rays, before striking them, is a particle, but when they will strike, they will become rays, cathode rays, all right. So we have done this. It was very basic, I know, was not up to your standard, but it's okay. We're gonna see in the next video. Till that,